Why are you putting in two, honey? Why are you putting in two, Sam?
Well, because this is to make a V shape. We're going to train the trees into a V shape, east and west. So we allow the canopy not growing toward each other, but they will grow away from each other. And we want to make sure that we have a good air circulation in here, so we can have a good color, especially the fruit. And then, so hopefully that will increase the size of the fruit. This is what we call the trellises for guava production under the high tunnel. So that's why we do a V shape, and then we can come in and we're going to put string, twines. Each side is going to be 2 twines, and one probably about 2 feet above the ground, and then the other one probably about 4 feet up here on each side, 2 of them. And then we're going to put another strong post at the end here, so we can stabilize the weight. So when we train the trees, and when you're fruiting, so the fruits will hang out, so we have a good air circulation, and that's what the goal. So I hope that we'll be able to, it's a new management method that we try to develop for guava production under the high tunnel. So this is very important. We'll try to see, we don't know yet. There's a lot of unknowns that we have to deal with, but hopefully that by the end of the second years we'll probably have some results, either it's manageable, profitable, or not. Today is an update for the guava production under the high tunnel. So today it's a Saturday, and it's May the 8th, and we are here to complete, installation of the trellises. So which is the trellises we are completed, and probably next we'll come back with we'll put the twines on it, and put the post at the end post to symbolize the trellises, and that's what we're going to do. But one thing that I would like to go over real quick with so why it's so important. Okay, guava under the guava production under the high tunnel is something new, and especially in this area because we have to kind of weird weather that we try to accommodate as much as we can to the trees so they can survive, and then at the same time yield good production. So because we have high heat in the summertime, especially from May to August, and then also at the winter time between November and then February, it's just very cold and we could have freeze. So those are the two seasons that it's really an issue or concern over the guava. It may not kill instantly, but if you go outside, then it will impact the growth, which is what to produce the hormones to produce the flowers and yield the crop. So that's why we have to do under the high tunnel. So at the summertime, at least we get some cover on the top, and then we'll reduce the heat and then make that more, the plant more healthy, and so it can produce the hormones to produce the flower, the crop. And in the winter, that we will at least have the plastic film, which will prevent the tree from damage by the frost. And so it's the plant still has growth, and then so it can sustain the hormones in the tree, and then will produce flowers in the spring. And this is what we do it. And under the high tunnel, you can get 2 crops, per year, so which is just good. But you have to know what to do. So this is a new observation that we will try to do, and then hopefully that we in the end of the 2 years, we probably have some results, and hopefully that we will, be a good management method that we find here. We may not have that, but it's good. It doesn't matter we success or it's not, we still win, right? So thank you for your time, and thank you for joining me today.